Well, this first item that we have for you this morning at home, I'm so excited about. This is my kind of decorating. I love being able to add so much illumination, so much festive, beautiful lights to your home simply by flipping a switch or pressing the button on your remote control. That's what you're gonna be able to do thanks to the HSN exclusive Winter Lane. This is your RedGreen 5-pattern laser light show that is going to allow you to illuminate the entire exterior of your home, but also the interior of your home as well, and you're gonna have so much fun with this. Alexandra Baker, who is our home BFF, is joining us. I love how easy this is, inside or out. It comes with a remote control as well, so you press the button and you can instantly change the look of a room.
Absolutely. Well, you know, you probably think that you've seen the lasers before, but we have so much that we're going to be able to share with you in how it's changed and how it's new and different for this year. So let's just go ahead and start walking around the sets that you can see how this works. So I'm going to come around here. I don't know how much lead line I have. Oh, I've got plenty. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Look, let's just unravel this.
Actually didn't tie it in.
Yeah, they did not tie it. I want you to see immediately. Look at this. You see that? What we have going on here are the laser lights you think you might have seen in the past with lots of the red and the green lights, but can you see what's happening in between? Look at the different patterns, the bells, the snowflakes, the stars.
It's mesmerizing.
Isn't it mesmerizing?
It really is.
It's dazzling. Now, we're showing you all of the different patterns and the different motions, but you can control everything with just your remote control.
Yeah.
So you can speed up. Are you able to see that it's much faster now?
Oh, yeah.
Right? And we can also slow it down. We could, even if we wanted to, slow it down till it's freeze framed. This is what you've seen in the marketplace to date, but this is totally different. It's our 5-pattern red and green laser light. If you would like to, you can just do red. Isn't that lovely? We can just do green. Isn't that just gorgeous? So imagine for St. Patrick's or for Valentine's or obviously for holiday. It's just Halloween, so festive.
I love that because you can use it with the 5 different images that it scrolls through, or you can just have the illuminated green or the red. It really is the easiest way for you to add the most beautiful ambiance to any room or the exterior of your house. And what's great is, like with traditional lights, which are amazing, of course, those are kind of just where you put them.
Exactly.
This goes into every little nook and cranny of a doorway and creates, look, you can put it directly on the wreath and on all of your decorations, and it just makes everything that you're decorating with that much more beautiful. Can I tell everybody that this is $30 off as we celebrate Christmas in July here at HSN? So it's normally $130. Today it's $99.95. Because it's the middle of the year, we were only able to bring in 1,000 of these.
Oh my goodness.
So only 1,000 of you can get this home. It's $24.99 on your charge card. The remote control, like we were saying, is included, so you press one button and you're good to go.
I want to be able to show you all of the things that this can do, because what happens is this is really able to wrap around a wall. I don't know, I'm going to come around and just move my way.
Ooh, for
example,
look at the mercury
Look at the mercury glass. Look at what happens. You know, maybe if with the lights, you'll see in just a moment, when the lights are a little softer, but in your home, let's say you've got these beautiful apothecary jars in your home. Can you see how they're dazzling? It's almost like a disco ball, how beautiful they look. Imagine something like this inside and really shimmering and bringing this to life and dazzling indoors. As I continue to move around, Carrie, you'll help me with the cord.
Yes.
I don't want to pull everything off.
You've got plenty of cord.
You see that? Look at that. It's just dazzling all over our beautiful white shimmer tree. I'll be talking a little bit more about that shortly, but absolutely gorgeous. And then you can see on our wall here how you could really highlight one area in your home. What about one little nook or area in your home where through the window, inside the curtains, around the wall, the depth on the tree, all of that is illuminated.
It's like the curtains, it's the windowsill, it's all the way around in a way that you couldn't achieve with traditional lights in the past. And again, you can use this inside or you can use this outside. You get the stake to use it outside. It comes with 24 feet of cord and the remote control. Think about all of your beautiful planted arrangements inside and out. This takes things to a whole different level that your kids and your grandkids are gonna remember. Just that beautiful beautiful element of decor. It's so pretty.
This would be so challenging to be able to illuminate, but whether this is indoors or out, if you want this on your landscaping, you can see what that's doing. Now see with the flashing what's going on here? You can control the flashing, you can control the patterns going in and out, how that works here, which is fantastic. And of course, the color, all red, all green, or both, which is wonderful. Oh, something fell. So
Our
anyway,
little angel guy fell.
Little angel. So you can see what happens here, but I'm going to walk over now back to the table so that I can do a little test for you, because here's what's happening. This is our 3rd year in having wonderful laser lights in your home. And why? Because they're easy. One of the things that we want to be able to do during the holidays is make it easy for yourself. That's why we do Christmas in July. And with Christmas in July, what's fantastic is you get a little bit of a head step on your holiday, right? Now this is easy to store, easy to use, easy to set up. What you're receiving is the actual light unit. This is all metal. It has the heater inside. That's very important that you understand that it has the heater inside.
You don't want one without it,
You don't want one without it, because when it's 20 below zero outside, you want the heater to be able to warm up and be able to use this outside. It also has the metal ground stake. Very important to have that metal ground stake so that you're not trying to put something plastic into a hard ground when it's the winter time. And energy efficient. What I have in front of you, feel that.
Oh my goodness.
It's like hot. It's really warm. So this is a wattage reader. Am I showing you? The wattage reader is showing, if the camera can see the digital outread, 151 watts. Watts, okay? Warm. And you don't need that heat around you. This is attached to the laser, and the laser light is 3.72, not even 4 watts. That would be like 35 times more energy. Oh my gosh. So this is more heat. Did you see on this light, some of them are out? Look, some of the lights, some of the lights are out. They're very warm and significantly more energy. Using your laser light, it's easy to set up, easy to store, easy to place. I can do this myself. You mentioned a 24-foot lead cord. I don't even need an extension cord to put this outside or inside of my home.
Well, then you don't need to go outside to adjust it, because you're going to control it all by the remote control.
Completely.
This is so amazing. If you point this up towards the ceiling, if you're using this inside, the stars, all the beautiful illumination that takes over the entire room. The movement is just, it's captivating. It's mesmerizing.
It's dazzling.
It really is beautiful, and it is the easiest way to decorate your home. Well, I mentioned that we were only able to bring in 1,000 for our Christmas in July event. $24.99 on your charge card. $4.95 is your shipping and handling fee, but we have this exciting shipping and handling promotion going on during our Christmas in July event. You will only pay $4.95 on one item. Then everything else is going to ship for free. So if you've already paid that $4.95 on something else, this is going to ship to you for free.
Right? And I want you to see, whenever we do the type of flash, I'm going to see if I can get it to stand still for just a moment. Now, do you see some of the lights are a little bit more pigmented, some are a little softer. What happens here is depth is created. If they were all the same, there wouldn't be depth. And what happens if I come in really tight, or if I pull away, it's just as bright, Carrie, because it's laser.
It almost looks three-dimensional, like you said. Some appear closer, some appear off in the distance.
That's why you've got some depth going on.
Neat.
But the density of color, whether I'm very close or a little bit farther back, the saturation is maintained because the fact that it's laser. So that's what's happening. And one last thing, it just caught my eye here. How many, if you can move this, hold that for me just a moment. I just have to show, because how many of you have this going on? Do you have this?
I think most of us do.
Yeah.
And we kind of dread that. We think, oh my gosh, the tangles and putting and hanging this up and stapling this to the outside of our house or nailing it, whatever we're going to use. And we hope that one of them hasn't gone out.
And we hope they haven't gone out. But you know what? You need a ladder. You need the staple gun. It can be dangerous. It's time consuming. But here's the other thing. If this is something that you love, if you enjoy using the outdoor lights, if you enjoy the outdoor lights, that's absolutely fine. Go ahead and light up the garage door. Go ahead and light up the front door. Go ahead and bring this inside, because if you love light, then you probably want light all around you.
Yeah.
Because the holidays are light, motion, movement. And so this works so well if you're very into your traditional lights. Still, give this consideration. I'm not asking you to eliminate what's a tradition for you or what you already love.
Yeah.
I'm asking you to incorporate and layer in and make your home stand out even more by bringing this into your home.
Especially during our Christmas in July event, because it's $30 off today. This will be $129.95 when it comes back for the holidays. You're already gonna have it home and ready to go, and you're saving $30. $24.99 on your charge card. I tell you what, if you've not experienced LED lights like this in your home, it is a game changer. If you're that person that is so passionate about your holiday decor, you have to get this home. And if you're thinking, I can't decide if I want to do this indoors or outdoors, you may want to grab a couple of them today. Remember, you'll only pay $4.95 on your shipping one time throughout our Christmas in July event, and then everything else is going to ship for you for free. Just all of the dimension is absolutely beautiful.
And the fact that there's movement, I love that we can control the speed, you can control what you're actually showing.
If you're having a party, have it a little faster.
You want to go with the music, you can go a little bit faster. You can have the snow flurries. You might be wondering, what's the 5? The 5 would be the stars, the snowflakes, the trees, the bells, and then you also have the snow flurries that you can have all over. Isn't that exciting? And then, of course, what it does to your landscaping. This is exciting. You might have the string lights on your home if you want to. You can layer these in, or you could just have this on the lights if you wanted to, on the trees if you wanted to.
Oh, it's just so beautiful.
Isn't that pretty?
I love the idea.
Are you able to see this?
Putting this in your kids' rooms. Think about
in lieu of a nightlight.
Yes.
Or in lieu of a tree. This would be a little more exciting.
Exactly. Just that beautiful illumination would be stunning, right? Well, we're thrilled for all of you. Again, the only 1,000 of you that can get that home today. $30 off, $24.99 on your charge card. Alexandra, thank you so much. She's not going anywhere. She's sticking around. We've got more exciting things that we want to share with you as Christmas in July continues. So stay in the ordering process for that, because such a very